After a week of pretty intense rain, John and I set out along the Cedar River Trail to see what we could see one Sunday morning. What we saw was flooding.
Swimming against the current.
By the time we got down to the railroad underpass, we were flooded out.
Boy, it's sure up, isn't it?
The ducks didn't seem to mind, though. So like these folks, we turned tail and headed down to the other end of the trail.
What do you say?
I just can't find them. I don't know what they are.
They're very cool.
John and I love to do train watching from a pedestrian overpass. This is what a wooded area in Iowa looks like in August. Late summer wildflowers were everywhere. We found this monarch in the tree, and this eagle took off for us.
Or an eagle, possibly.